So for 67 years we've been brewing Fiji Bitter on this very site. And for 48 of those 67 years we've been supporting and developing grassroots rugby with the Marist Sevens Rugby Club. So thank you, gentlemen. Today we announce our sponsorship of the 48th Fiji Bitter Marist Sevens, which is also the 12th tournament in the Fiji Bitter 7 series and the final tournaments in that 7 series. Fiji Bitter Marist Sevens is the longest Sevens tournament in Fiji, and I believe it's one of the longest tournaments in the world of the Sevens format. We sponsored the very first Marist Sevens tournament back in 1976 with a sum of 5 cartons of Fiji Bitter. It's a little bit more than that now. And our support has increased steadily over the last 48 years. Many players who've played in the Fiji Bitter 7 series, and especially the Marist Sevens, have gone on to represent Fiji in the national sevens team, Fijian Drua, Flying Fijians, and some have even gone overseas and joined clubs overseas.